If you are still doing these following things that I'm about to mention right now as a trader, you need to stop it, or there is high probability that you will never become profitable as a trader. Okay, so if this is the first time of seeing my channel, please like and subscribe to this channel to help you to see more of this kind of videos. Without wasting much time, let's continue. If you are among people that still jump out of a trade when the market is going in their favor because they are scared that it will turn back and go against them, you need to stop it. Because, come to think of it, when the market is going against you, you remain patient until it hits your stop loss. Then, when it is going in your favor, why do you jump out? If you are still doing this thing, it will be very difficult for you to become profitable. When you set your trade, stay out of the market and don't open the chart until maybe after some long period of time before you open it. Then, second one, if you are still among those jumping from one signal group to another, you really need to stop it. Because first, you are not building confidence in yourself. You are just trading based on what someone said, okay? And you just jump into a trade without even knowing the reasons why you are jumping into a trade. You need to calm down and learn how to trade, how to read price actions on your own. So I encourage you to stop jumping from one signal group to another, entering trades blindly. I had a serious personal problem with that I lost a lot because of that, and many people can testify to that. Then next one is, if you are still among those that when the market is going against you, you are still shifting your stop loss to accommodate more losses. My friend, you will never become profitable. You are just creating opportunity to be losing, and sometimes you can blow your account. You need to understand how to respect your stop loss. When you set your stop loss, forget about it. You are willing and ready to lose this amount of money. Just stay out of the market. If it hits your stop loss, then it means that the market didn't go in your favor. And according to your analysis, you're not supposed to be in your direction. But if you continue accommodating losses, you will continue to lose money, and at the end of the day, you will still lose, and the market will not reverse to go where you want it to go. And the next one is, if you are still among those that feel like you know it all, it's time to be sentimental in the market. Always feel that the market must go the direction you think it must go because you think your analysis or your trading strategy is the best. You need to stop it. Market respects no one's strategy or no one's sentiment. When the market is changing direction, you must change direction with the market and follow how the market is going. Being sentimental is only leading you to blowing up accounts. So stop doing all these things, and I promise you some things will change about your life as a trader. So remain profitable out there, and see you in the next one.